In this video, we're going to talk through some of the bugs that you might encounter when uploading a historical transaction file from a business. And we'll kick off here when you are in the kind of dashboard creation flow and you go into connecting the data source of your historical revenue transactions and upload, let's just say you upload the standard revenue transaction file and have some bug files created here for us, where if you upload this file and potentially have the wrong date format, it will flag it to you in red. And that is either because your date format is inconsistent, like it is in this case here, or the date format that your transaction file is in is not the default YYMMDD. You can simply kind of pick a different format here. But in this case, you can see due to the inconsistency, you'll need to just quickly clean that up within the transaction file. And I did that in my second file here. So I upload this the second time around. But then you'll find that there's an arrow in row 248 in column 3 and says that the amount there is invalid. So when I pull up this transaction file and go to row, which is at 248 within Excel, I can now see that this amount here is incorrect. So I can solve that here. I make sure that the date here is coherent with what we have in deep dive. Save this again and upload this again. And I'm told that there's another arrow here which has to do with one of the kind of recurring intervals that I'm uploading here, and it's also in row 248. So I'm going to go back down to row 248 here and see that instead of the term monthly here for the recurring interval, it's just written month. So I need to correct that as well. Excel doesn't memorize the date format of a CSV file, so I just need to, again, make sure the date format's correct, and then give this another go here. Delete this file, upload the transaction file, and voila, solve these bugs that might happen. So when you upload a file, it will tell you where there might be a bug within the transaction file. Simply go into that file, see where the inconsistencies might come from, and give it another go. This can also be helpful for the waterfall file, where it'll tell you in which row and which column there might be a misaligned value.